Today we're on our way to visit one of Taiwan's most popular night markets, the Linjiang Night Market. A set of signs ahead reveals that we're getting close. Small food carts begin to appear, and the smell of food fills the air. Linjiang is also known as the Tonghua Night Market. The first cart catches my attention. It's steaming dumplings, but next to it, this pulls me in immediately. A sizzling skillet steak shop. This place is called the Kou Steak, proudly displaying the Michelin Guide recommendation. And their specialty, a blistering hot iron plate of ribeye drizzled with thick gravy and the side of egg, a Taiwanese night market classic. Back outside, the food choices multiply. Noodles, grills, soups, all calling your name. This is seared potstickers with a bone broth wonton soup, savory and silky dumplings. This is real comfort food. As night settles, the main Linjiang Night Market signs glow warmly, decorated with traditional red lanterns. This place comes alive after dark. Just beyond the lanterns, endless rows of claw machines line the street. Plush toys, anime characters, aliens from Toy Story, Stitch, everything you can imagine. These bright yellow machines blast upbeat music, tempting you to try your luck. The deeper we go, the busier it gets. Vendors shout, grills sizzle, and the smell of sweet, smoky, spicy street food fills the air. These grill stalls cook everything imaginable: Angus beef, chicken drumsticks, marinated pork, seafood, and they even have roasted corn brushed with sweet soy sauce glaze. Many menus here are only in Mandarin, but half of the fun in the night market is saying yes to something unfamiliar and discovering a new favorite. This stall sells a mix of roasted treats, crispy pork rinds, chicken parts, tofu, and a variety of Taiwanese lu wei snacks. And of course, no night market trip is complete without dessert. Taiwanese shaved ice is legendary. Toppings include grass jelly, tapioca pearls, red beans, mung beans, pudding. But the market isn't just food. Accessory shops sell hats, purses, scarves, jewelry, and a bunch of little treasures, perfect for gifts. This is also a collector's paradise for anime and gaming figures, anywhere from dragons, Pokemon, knights, heroes, you name it. For a healthier bite, a fruit vendor sells cut watermelon, guava, apple, pears, pineapple, fresh and juicy options to balance the feast. As I'm leaving, an adorable pet shop steals my attention. Tiny kittens wrestle, groom, nap, and pose like professional models. This market dates back till 1960s, growing alongside the residential community in Da'an district. These fluff balls keep cleaning themselves, getting ready for bed. And finally, a sleepy kitten rolling over dramatically, a perfect ending to a night of food, lights, and fun. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.